We'll change this back now to the ledge stone. As you can see, we need to adjust our size again, and you can put that at any spacing depending on what you think the cuts would look like. Now we have to fill this planter with some soil. Now the easiest way to do that, there's two ways. One, you could go to plan view, and you could just, with the patio tool, which is what we use, because we can fill the whole area with that, we would just draw a line on the inside of this, but that's very tedious. So my recommendation is go over to the Options tab. You'll have Shape Options, and you'll have Copy Shape. Then go over to Patio, and then you go to Shape Options and Paste Shape. Suddenly the patio appears. It's buried at the lowest point because of our slope here. So we bring our elevation up, and we can bring our patio right up to where we think the soil line would be. Now the one thing that you'll notice is on the outside edge here you'll have some bleed through from the exact copy and paste of the shape. So the easiest way really to deal with that is just go to Edit Points and just pull in your points a little bit, and pulls it away from the outside edge. This is the way I like to deal with this, and it goes pretty quick actually. So, and don't worry if a little bit of that soldier course peeks out, we can deal with that. Okay, and good. And then if we go to border, we can edit the border just by removing the borders wherever they kind of peek through, and click on that button, and then that's complete. Then we go into our material, open up, we're at our paver menu, but go down the side here, go to mulch, and we'll pick mulch number 14, and presto, we've got our soil in our planter ready to be planted up with shrubs and flowers.